Hi, this is Jonathan, man. I'm over here. These are my Nike Air shoes. Great shoes. They cost about 140 bucks when I got them with this little installation at Foot Locker. Well, I've been having them for a year now, and they're starting to lose some grip. If you see, like, my shoes are like starting to talk. That I don't need it for my job anymore, but they're my favorite shoes. I have like 10 pairs of shoes, but I like these. So I bought the shoe fixer. It only costs about $2 for a pack of fixers. Okay, now I'm going to fix it. That my shoe doesn't talk that much anymore, but I will wear it, walk inside the mall, and hopefully somebody with money sees me, thinks I don't have money, and buys me a pair. Thanks for watching.